Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about upgrading to the Samsung Galaxy S25 or just curious about its latest features, we've got some exciting details for you. Samsung is rolling out some impressive upgrades with the Galaxy S25 series, but there are a couple of new features that won't be making their way to older Galaxy S devices, even with the One UI 7.0 update. While One UI 7.0 brings a lot of great improvements to older devices, two standout features will remain exclusive to the S25 lineup: 10-bit HLG HDR video recording and natural language search in the Gallery app. The Galaxy S25 series introduces 10-bit HDR video recording, supporting both HLG, hybrid log gamma, and HDR10+ formats, giving users more flexibility in capturing high-quality HDR videos. For those using devices like the Galaxy S23, HDR10+ support will still be available, but the HLG format won't be an option. Additionally, older devices won't have access to the Camera Assistant module from Samsung's Good Lock, which offers more HDR video customization. Another exclusive feature for the S25 series is natural language search in the Gallery app, an AI-powered tool that allows users to search for photos and videos using simple phrases instead of relying on file names or metadata. For example, you can type "beach photos from last summer," and the system will instantly find the relevant images without needing to scroll through your entire gallery. Unfortunately, this AI-driven feature won't be coming to older Galaxy models, at least not with the One UI 7.0 update. While some may be disappointed that these features are staying exclusive, One UI 7.0 still brings many exciting improvements to older devices. If you own a Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra and are part of the One UI 7.0 beta program, a new update is rolling out in the US. Samsung has just released the fifth One UI 7.0 beta update for users on AT&T and Verizon networks. This update, with firmware version 92XU1EU4ZBB, is around 450 megabytes in size, though it may vary by model. The biggest change in this beta update is a fix for the visual voicemail (VVM) crash issue that many users were experiencing, but unfortunately, there are no other major features or improvements included in this particular update. If you're part of the beta program, you can check for the update manually by heading to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install. As of now, it's unclear whether this fix will be rolled out to other regions where the One UI 7.0 beta program is available, but we'll keep you updated if we hear more. What are your thoughts on the exclusive features of the Galaxy S25? Would you have liked to see them come to older models, or do you think it's fair to keep them limited to the latest flagship? Let us know in the comments. The highly anticipated One UI 7.0 update is almost here, and today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about its release, features, and supported devices. So, let's jump right in. One UI 7.0 beta program, final release incoming? Samsung has just released the fourth beta version of Android 15-based One UI 7.0 for the Galaxy S24 series. According to a Samsung community forum moderator in India, this could be the final beta update before the official stable release. The beta program has now officially closed, signaling that the stable version is just around the corner. A screenshot shared on Reddit seems to confirm this information. However, Samsung has not yet provided an exact release date for the update. If these reports are accurate, One UI 7.0 won't be limited to the Galaxy S24 series. It will soon be available on all eligible Galaxy devices. Samsung is expected to announce the official rollout date in the coming days. What's new in One UI 7.0? Here's a glimpse of the major improvements coming with One UI 7.0. Checkmark redesigned user interface. A fresh and modern look with subtle UI enhancements. Checkmark smoother animations, a more fluid experience with refined transitions. Checkmark enhanced usability and customization, more personalization options to make your device truly yours. Now that the beta phase has ended, the stable update should begin rolling out very soon, starting with the Galaxy S24 series before expanding to other eligible Galaxy devices. AI-powered camera features on the Galaxy S25 series. Looking ahead, Samsung is gearing up to introduce some powerful AI-driven camera features with the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. One of the standout features is AI filters, powered by Galaxy AI. This new feature allows users to create custom filters, enhancing their photos with AI-powered effects for a more stylish and unique look. Samsung first introduced AI filters with the fourth beta version of One UI 7.0 on the Galaxy S24 series, and now, they plan to expand this feature to more Galaxy devices. Devices eligible for AI filters in One UI 7.0. According to leakster Tarun Vats, the AI filter feature will be available on the following devices once they receive the One UI 7.0 update. Cell phone Galaxy S series, Galaxy S21, Galaxy S22, Galaxy S23, Galaxy S24, cell phone Galaxy Z Fold series, Galaxy Z Fold 3, Galaxy Z Fold 4, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Fold 6, expected. Cell phone Galaxy Z Flip series, Galaxy Z Flip 3, Galaxy Z Flip 4, Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy Z Flip 6, expected. Since AI filters are already available on the Galaxy S24, it's highly likely that Samsung will roll them out to the above-listed devices soon. What's great is that these AI filters don't require high-end processing power or specialized hardware, meaning that even older Galaxy models should support them without major performance issues. That's all for today's update. If you're excited about the One UI 7.0 stable release or the new AI-powered camera features, let us know in the comments below which feature you're most looking forward to. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest news. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.